Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another video. This video is all about the expected feature inside Odoo 17. So I'm hearing that we have huge lot of changes which is also minute inside Odoo. Is that true?
Yeah, we have pretty cool changes in Odoo 17. So let's begin with the check-in option of Odoo 17. So if a user is logged in to the Odoo 17 platform, we can easily identify by the color indication in the home screen of Odoo 17. So the user who is logged in will be highlighted with a green color, and the user who is just checked out from the Odoo platform will be just highlighted by a yellow color.
So it's something similar to the check-in button which we have in the attendance module, right?
Exactly.
And also, like, it actually refers to certain social medias. Like when we are logged in, it shows the green color thing and all such things, right?
Yeah.
So it's pretty much interesting. It's minute, but still it's very interesting. So I heard we have some changes inside the list view. Is that true?
Yeah. And if you want to select the entire document, like you want to select massive documents from the list view, you can select that. And if you want to make a duplication of the massive records from the list view, it's easy by choosing the entire data, and you can just go to the action button and just choose the duplicate action, so that you can just duplicate the entire records of the list view in a single click.
So that's very interesting, because in a single click we can do all such things. I heard of unselecting as well.
Yeah, if you want to unselect the entire data, that means if you want to just unselect the bulk of data from the list view, you can unselect that from the top of the list view.
Okay.
And we have another option just to freeze the list view and Kanban view. As we have a large number of records, we just drag down the report list and Kanban view. So if you just drag the list view or Kanban view, we can just freeze the header of the list view and Kanban view. So that is another change in Odoo 17.
And I've heard of another feature, which is like, if you are the logged in user, your name will be suggested in fields where you need to choose these users or customers or not, right?
Yeah.
So that's a new thing, because your name will be suggested first as you are the logged in user.
Yeah.
So that's another expected feature, which are all minute but has a lot of effect inside Odoo 17.
And that makes Odoo very simple and cool.
Yeah, it actually takes less time. That is, it's actually cutting off the time which we are taking to do pretty much actions inside Odoo 17. So it's really interesting, and I'm waiting to hear more.
Okay, so let's discuss about few more expected features in Odoo 17.
Yes. So we were talking about the expected features, and all of them were minute features. So have you heard about the the dialog box one? Yeah, the thing is that whenever a dialog box appears right in front of you, if you want to confirm it, you can either do it from your mouse easily, but we have some other option, that is, you can do it from your keyboard by using the control+enter key.
Yeah.
Isn't that interesting?
Yeah, that's very interesting.
And like when I was thinking about the dialog box, we have these wizards which appear in front of us while we open Odoo. Every time we get such wizards. So that thing has become draggable.
Yeah.
Like you can drag it to any corner of your screen just by using your mouse.
Yeah.
That is really cool actually.
And that makes more visibility for the other records behind the wizard.
Yes. And the chatter. Yeah, chatter can be found in almost every modules and also in some creation pages. So what if I say chatter has become searchable?
Yeah, it's very simple to search the messages if you have a lot more message in a chatter.
So chatter has become searchable, and other than that, we have another thing which has come to chatter, which is chatter can be pinned. So there is nothing like missing out anything which is logged inside the chatter. Now, from Odoo 17 onwards, you can actually pin the chatter.
And we can now talk about the new product type in Odoo 17. So we have new two product type, which is combo and booking fees. So we will be discussing about product type combo in this video. So product type combo is nothing but we know that we can buy combo products. So in case of combo product, we won't be managing the inventory of the combo product, which is the main product.
Okay.
But we will be keeping the inventory of the components, and you can also create different choices. So if a user want to order for different products, for example, if a user want to just buy a KFC, and he can just use different choices, like he can choose colas or Pepsi, or he can choose the French fries or other alternative instead of choosing the French fries. Like you can create the choices for combos, and we can also manage the booking phase, but we won't be discussing the booking phase in this video, so stay tuned for the next video in order to know how to use the booking fee in Odoo 70. And we can have a different product variants, so we can manage the product variant, and we have a new feature to set the image of the product variant.
That's cool.
Yeah, so the users can easily, or the client can easily check the page with the material. Like we will have different materials with different prints. In such cases, the users can use the image to select the variants of the product. That's very cool, right?
Yeah. So actually, Odoo 17 is setting up our expectations on a high level.
Yeah.
Because it's actually throwing up a lot of features on us, right?
Yeah.
So is that it?
And we have another new feature for the attribute. Like you can also set MultiCheck Box for the variants, which means that if you want to buy a pizza, we know the pizza will have different toppings like pork, beef, pineapple, peri-peri, and so on. So if the client wish to buy, have different toppings or want to customize the pizza, in such cases, the client can just check the boxes of different values of the attribute. Is that simple?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's very interesting actually.
Yeah. In such case, we also need to ensure that we have just set the variant creation mode as never. In such case only, we can use the MultiCheck Box. Okay. And we can also just create the variants in another mode, like we can select the created variants. So as we choose the variant mode as select, in that case, we can just create different variance value, and you can also configure different prices. So the different prices and the variants will be appearing in a drop-down list of the website. Isn't that cool?
Yes, it is. So that's all we are going to include in this video. That's not the end, because we have so much new features inside Odoo 17. By hearing all these features, you guys might be eagerly waiting to know what next, right? Because we have so much features which are all, as I said before, which are all minute, but actually can save a lot of your time. So that's all which we are going to include in this video, right?
So stay tuned for the latest updates and latest expected features in the upcoming videos. So hope this was cool
and helpful. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.